Welcome back. So, last episode, you'll have seen Rame sponsored us with a lovely intake.
Yep. Beautiful.
Ignore this bit, we've had an incident. So, I've just been for my wisdom teeth taken out, so if I talk a bit funny, that's why. If I talk a bit quiet and all, because it's hurting. So, I'm driving to get my wisdom teeth done. This coolant hose here just decides to snap off, this one here, and just leak coolant everywhere. Not just that, my clutch pedal also decided to stick to the floor in the rain.
I'm in danger!
I thought it would down to not being bled properly, but we pressure bled it. So I've re-bled it, still the same. It drives fine, and then every now and again, the pedal goes down normal, but it only retracts halfway, so you lift it up yourself, and the next 20 presses could be absolutely fine. So, trace the problem back. I know it can't be the clutch. I know it can't be the cylinder. I know it can't be the slave on the pedal, because it's brand new. It can't be the master, because it came out of the Mark 5 GTI and it's been working since. It could have failed, obviously, but it's not going to be that. More than likely, obviously we've got the bleeder block on the gearbox, which stops the pedal from feeling as heavy, and it lets the fluid flow a lot better. It's like 10 mil big, and the line's like probably 2 or 3 mil. So dark side, big up Rob. Thank you very much, Rob. I told Rob the problem, and he said, have you changed the clutch line? I said, I haven't, no. But apparently there's like a little valve inside the clutch line, and it's known for sticking. So as you're pressing it down, it's got loads of pressure, but as it's returning, it's only got in as much pressure as the bearing has to open up and let the fluid back. So Rob has very kindly donated us the clutch line. So this bad boy, that just basically goes into the pedal at that end, and then this goes straight to the cylinder. So we're going to get a quick install video on this. But if you're after one of these bad boys, Darkside selling, go and speak to Rob or message Darkside's Facebook page and just say Tom sent you from TC Performance. And that is what you want. Apparently it makes clutch pedal a lot lighter as well. So yeah, let's get cracking to installing. We just pulled the old line out. This is the old clutch line. That's obviously what goes into the pedal slave, and then that's what goes into the engine. Into the clutch. So what's happened is, I think inside here it's rather delaminated like a normal brake line does, and it's dragging for some reason. Usually there's like a little plastic box fitting around here, which we must not have had on this clutch line. But it's like best of ways anyway, but we just use it temporary just to get the car running. But yeah. So this is the dark side one. Look at that bad boy. Sexual. Right, I'll show you how to fit it. Turn my little light on. So literally, we're just going to come through here.
Let me come round.
We're going to come underneath here. And we're just going to pop that fitting in, like so.
Need a little. You might be able to just see it.
And then we're going to drag this round here.
It's there basically. It's plugged in and it comes all the way around. Tom's feeding it under the engine mount or gearbox mount.
And let's get the tyre wrapped on there. And then this end.
That goes into the thingy box, isn't it?
Easy as that.
That was pretty quick.
I'm going to bleed the clutch up first, make sure it works before I build it all back together. So that's just, we'll show you how to do that as well. Don't worry. So yeah.
You missed a holy light at the moment.
My son, I'm not touching that with a 60-foot pole.
So this is with the line installed. So down there, comes through, clipped on there, comes round, clips on there, and then boom. All in and bled up. So build this back together, see what it's like.
We interrupt your usual programme. We have some new colours for the no messing hoodies. Tom has chosen a lovely charcoal grey. I'd say do a 12, he's a bit dirty. just the same as our other ones, just different colours. Obviously we've got black, and then you've got this sort of army green one.
Olive drab.
And Zach, who isn't wearing his, but is behind the camera, he opted for a violet colour.
Well, I wanted purple, but it came out lilac-y.
Yeah, so
But it's nice.
It's like a Parma violet colour.
Yeah.
It's quite
I think it
nice.
looks nicer than a purple one.
Yeah.
We'll insert a little video.
well,
So this is the colour I went for, guys. This is the purple that I asked for, but it came out like more like lilac, but I'm very happy with the colour. This is the 2XL, if I can remember correctly, and it's the same with Tom's and Jack's. It's got the No Messing logo on the back. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. If you like this colour, make sure you get one ordered.
So, we are going to do a pre-order for these. If you missed out on the black ones, which no one's actually wearing today, if you missed out on
I
the
had
black
one this
ones,
morning for the gym.
Good job.
Yeah, I trained in it. Yeah.
I've just put mine in the wash, that's fine.
Yeah, mine's in wash.
So, if you missed out on a black one, you can order a black one, you can order this, they're all the same price. You can order Tom's charcoal grey one, Zach's violet one, obviously the black one, and we're on about doing woolly hats because it's winter.
A ginger one.
So, thanks
Woolly
for
hats.
watching. Message me or Tom if you want one, and we'll sort it.
So, clutch line on, and the clutch is fixed. So yeah, it's now got a full pedal, and it feels absolutely amazing. Clutch is a lot lighter as well. So it's got a 4-pedal Saxon clutch in it. It's very light. So that bleeder block and the line makes a big difference on these MQB/2 litre TFSI cars, especially with these clutches in. So I would recommend one. Once again, thank you to Darkside, Mr. Rob at Darkside, for sorting me out with this line. It goes to show that these parts are worth fitting on your car. If you do want one, go down to Darkside, drop a message on Facebook or an email, and yeah, just say Tom sent you from TC Performance and you would like a clutch line, please. But yeah, that's that. Install's pretty simple. It's like 2 connectors, bit of messing about to get intake off and making sure it's routed properly and bleeding it up so a bit of an headache. But if you want one, let me know. Supply one and fit it. So yeah, just let me know. Big up Darkside. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good evening.